What's up YouTube family, this is Paul the Four-Eyed Hustler back with another video. I want to show you how I do my research for selling on GOAT. If you've seen one of my recent videos, I recently sold a pair of football cleats on GOAT, and I've been doing a lot of research on how to sell on GOAT and find profitable shoes. And I think I have a good process how to do that. If you have a better idea, let me know down below, but this is how I do it.
So here I am at Ross and I come across these beautiful red cleats. There's two of them. So how do I check how much they're going for on GOAT? So I go to the GOAT app, I click on search on the bottom middle, and then I click on search on here. And then I type in the code of the shoe. So I look into the shoe. I see that the code is 917 165 100. There we go. So it says trending Vapor Untouchable Pro. It's the red one. Perfect. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is how I quickly see how much they're going for. It's not like on eBay where you can actually check sold listings. That's it. I would click on own on the very top and I would put 14 here, 14. Make sure it's at 1 and then 16. I have two sizes, 14 and 16, save own. So I'm going to click on own. It says size 16 and size 14. And then down it says last sale $100. So I'm like, wow, that's pretty good. Let me click on top offer. Now you scroll down. It says last prices sold, all sizes. So that's the thing about GOAT. I guess there's no specific size you can check if it sells well, but for all sizes, the last one sold was $100 at September 16, which is a couple weeks ago. And so the last price sold is $100, $40, 70, 70, 70. It's fluctuating around that range, 70 to $100, except for that 40, so it really depends. So yeah, these cleats were $20 at Ross, so I'm gonna grab them. And it shows you can adjust your price right here. If you sell it at 100 like it recently did. I'm not sure if it's the size 14 or the size 16. You'd be making $85 minus the $20 you bought it, be a $60 profit. Or you can go down to 95, you make $80. 90, you make 76. Yeah, just go around and adjust the price. Now that you know how much it's going for, it's time to list a shoe. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we bought those cleats. They are $20 each, roughly. Let's go list them right now. So we go back to the original shoe. So we type in the number in the shoe. We click on sell here, and we're gonna click on the size. So we have a size 14. Scroll to 14, and the sneaker condition is new. Next. What is the condition of the box? It did not come with a box. So we're gonna say no box. Yellowing, missing insole, scuff marks, B grade, cut or tear, no defects from what I see. And let's list at 100 since it sold for 100 recently, just to see. And click on next. Now we gotta take pictures. You gotta take pictures of the tag. It's kind of difficult, but size 14. Perfect. Now it says lay the sneakers flat and photograph the outer sides. So let's lay it flat. That looks really nice. And then next, take a photo of the top of the sneakers. So let's click that. Cool. Done. And then let it load up and click submit. And you can share a listing. It looks really nice. So that's it, done. And let's list the other one, the size 16. So let's go back to the original listing. Vapor Intouchable Pro 3 in the red. I'm gonna do sell. Let's list it at 100. Then click on next. Maybe I could do a better job with that, but you get the point. Slate flat. And next. Done. And submit. And share it. You can share the listing with the social media down below. It's pretty cool. Nice. So we already listed it. Let's check if it's competitive with the prices. My size 16, there's no one else on the listing. So I'm going to leave it at $100. As you can see here, low price, there's none. And last sale was $100, so that's pretty good. The size 14 though, the low price is at 65 and my price is at 100. So let us match that price for 65. I guess the market went down, or I can keep it at 80. So to change the price, just slide through 65. You'd be making $53.82 minus the $20. You'd be making $33 net profit, which is not bad. So let's click save. And it shows right here, there's a star, low price at 65 and your price at 65. So just gotta wait till it sells and you can ship it out. And you can check out my other video, my very first video on goat.
So yeah, that's how I did my research for goat. These are already listed. I'm just waiting for a customer to pay. I'm just waiting for them to sell. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You know what to do. I really like where this is going. So join me in my journey. See you in the next video. Peace.